alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdulrahman Shuaib from grade 4B. Title Hardware. What is computer hardware? Computer hardware includes the physical parts of a computer such as general processing unit, monitor, mouse, keyboard. Types of hardware. There are two types of hardware: input device, output device. Input device. An input device is any hardware device that sends data to a computer, allowing you to interact with and control it. Example: mouse, snake, keyboard, microphone. Output device. Computer output device receive information from the computer and carry data that has been processed by the computer to the user. Thank you for watching.